Hello and welcome back to another video with Blue Flame. Today we will be playing Hard Rain on Left 4 Dead 2. We will be playing as Coach as we always do. And let's jump right into it. So I actually haven't played this campaign yet. This is my first time playing it, so I have no idea what to expect at all. So get down my way. So this is all completely new to me. Well, just this campaign, not the game. So Virgil, get fuel and return to the boat. Sounds easy enough, doesn't it? It never is. Wait, no. I need this. So just slaughter zombies. Actually, I haven't seen this, so I don't know. You may want to save some items for the return trip. Okay, guys, don't use all health kits, because you're gonna be the jerks who use them all. I don't. I use them when I need them. Not when I'm at 99 health and you think you're gonna die. Oof. Rough being you. We can climb up this way, I think. Yeah. See, something? Nope. Okay, so I don't know what this is. I don't know how long this campaign is. I don't know if there's 5 chapters, 3 chapters, or just this actual 1 chapter. But oh, this is hard though. I mean, oh, there's a hunter. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay, we are being. Oh. Kill the hunter and I can do the rest. I'll carry the team if you just get rid of the hunter. I'm dead. I'm dead. How? My teammates aren't doing a very good job helping. Help. Thank you, Ellis.
Oh, you want Ellis?
There's a witch right there. No, not Nick. I want him to live. That witch is getting awfully close, guys. Not Nick. Yes, 2 quick slices with samurai sword, and that'll kill a witch. Oh, he's doing the splits. Sorry about that. Let's go up here. What's up here? Can I get on it? No, I can't. Okay. Ow. What else should I do? No! Get off me. Ow. Ow. Get him off. Shell, help me. Thank you. Finally. Oh, my dog's in this. Sorry if you... My dog is being obnoxious. I will make videos anytime. I don't care if I have friends over that. So right now my neighbors are over at my house. They're outside. So if you hear them come in, just ignore them because they're annoying. But we should have peace and quiet for the most part. Anyways, back to the game. Ow. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Yeah, get off. You want to see what Satan looks like? Do you even know who Satan is? Oh. They were just trying to have a nice family dinner till I came along and slaughtered them. Oh, thank you, Ellis. That's nice. So we gotta get the gas. Ow. Can you stop it? There are actually a lot of zombies. The difficulty's set to easy. Oh, garage sale. Are you selling gasoline? Oh, garage sale. Why would you sell guns at a garage sale? That's concerning. Washer, $1. Oh. Okay, that is a very cheap washer. I want a washer. It better work. I mean, it's just like dead. No. Not the goo. Oh no! I am dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I am dead. I should have kept the pistol. No, why me? Why me? And how do you like that? Help me. Rochelle, thank you. Ellis, I need you to heal me. Okay, ready? Ellis. Thank you. But now none of my teammates have a health kit but me. Just kind of annoying. I should have used my adrenaline. Yeah, I'm kind of screwed here. I would use my adrenaline, but I don't want to. Not yet. Ow. Yeah, you can probably hear my mouse. It's probably very annoying. Safe room. Safe room, yes. No, I'm not having a spitter ruin it. Oh, that hunter thought. That hunter thought. Nope, no one else is getting in here. Okay, just gonna... No, what? Dude. Thought you guys were too dumb to open doors. How do you open a door? Tell me all about it. So first we grab the handle and shut up. Oh. What? Who let these zombies in? I have horrible teammates.
Baby, that is how that's done.
Oh, that was hard. Okay. I beat Rochelle because I make up for intelligence. Okay, to be fair, he was going after me. So, I mean, come on, be fair. Let's see. Ammo. Oh, AK-47. Let's go. Health kit. Good to know. We'll go back out here. Oh, propane tank. I always have to do that. Whoa. Melee. 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 If you get cornered, then you can just use your melee all the time. Okay, you probably hear my mouse and it's probably like... It's so annoying. I'm sorry. Ow. Ow. Get off me. Get off me. They are so annoying. I hate the zombies. How do I get up? I'm in here. Are there any stairs? No, but I guess we can go up this way. Nope, no, I'm going. Yeah, how do you like this? How do you like that? A tank! Dude, this is set to easy. This is set to easy. I set the game mode to easy, and I've already faced 2 tanks. This is not easy. Wait. Where? Gore high. There it is. Options. Video. Done. Change difficulty. It's easy. This is easy. I don't get this. How? This isn't easy. And where do I go from here? There's the tank, but where? Oh, probably. Wait, did we come out of here? No, I don't think we did. We definitely did not. Wait, there's pills. Oh, you took it. Seriously, Nick? I was just a witch. 2 witches already. And a charger. I was shooting. You should have been dead. But again, you know, this isn't game mode easy. This is game mode infinitely hard. No, not Nick again. I mean, thank you, but yeah, this is bad. Where did the witch go? I honestly don't care. I just need to get up here. Oh wait, it's not just. Oh wait, yeah, maybe it is. No! That hurt. That hurt. Let's just go through here, I guess. I found the witch. So, who wants to do it? What's wrong with you, poo-poo? You ready? You just do that. Oh Lord, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead. That's it. This is just impossible. The game mode is set to frickin' easy, and this is the shit it gives me. Oh, I'm so pissed. This is easy. This is not easy. What the heck? What the frick even is this? Where am I supposed to go? Probably up there. How do I... Oh, wait, do I jump up on this thing? Or... Okay. Oh, I need to get up there. Get up there. Whew, this is annoying. Oh yeah, probably up this ladder, I'm guessing. I mean, I know where I went up here, but... Down this... No, I want to go up. Yeah. Okay. And then to this platform. Here we go. Can we get, like, up on the roof? Oh, invisible barriers, seriously? That's not fun. Wait, weren't we just here? Ow! Not cool. Oh, Nick, why do you always have to take all the glory? That's okay. Jump through this window. Road closed. I don't give a shit. Safe room already. Wow, this was easy, but I mean, I'm not gonna question it. Any health kits? Wait a second. Are you kidding me? This is the safe room we just came out of. Oh, that is... Oh, I am so freaking mad. I am... How did I go in a circle? How? This is so freaking annoying. I am so freaking mad. This is the same. Yeah, it is, Ellis. Of course it is. So you go up here. Go through here. What about this way? What is this way? Nothing. Dead end. What is this way? Nothing. Dead end. We only can go this way. But like... This is the same place we just were. What the heck? The heck is this? Yeah, we were just here. We're going in circles. What the heck? Yeah, exactly. We were just here. Yeah, this is where the spitter just got us 10 seconds ago. That's the body. And that is a charger. Oh wait, I saved her shell on there. No. Yeah, kill the zombie. Okay, so maybe if we go through here, because that ladder is not what that ladder is. Nothing in that trailer where I searched there. Where the heck are we supposed to go? Oh, seriously, I was that dumb. Hunter! Oh, if I shot in midair, that would have been cool. Well, I figured out where we were supposed to go. Oh, you got a headshot.
Up that ramp.
A third witch. A third witch. This is not easy. Imagine what expert is. This is stupidly hard. What the difficulty is. Oh, not the spitter. Ow. Where did he go? Samurai sword, go! Uh-huh. A fourth witch! Wait a second. No way. That is the fourth witch. Dude, they're right next to each other. What the hell? What the actual frick? This is messed up. Holy hell. Oh, well, I found our spitter buddy. Boomer. Oh, I have to reload now of all times. This is just... No. This is annoying. What the fuck? Another witch. That is the fifth witch, for your information. If you want to know, that is the fifth frickin' witch. Maybe it wasn't... Did it move? Oh, smoker. That's the fifth witch. Yep, that's the fourth. What the heck is wrong? What is wrong with this game? What the fuck? Okay, I'm sorry that I've been swearing, but this is just not right.
Goddamn place.
This shouldn't be happening. Six. Wait. Six. Seventh. That is the seventh witch on game mode easy. Easy.
Up here.
The game mode is easy, and there's been 6 witches, 2 tanks. I don't care about the other stuff though. What is wrong with this freaking game? Nope, not a boomer. Get it off. Teammates, help, help. What is wrong? Oh my. I'll shoot the boomer for you. There you go, now we're all dead. I'm not dying today. This game is messed up. Nick, don't heal him. Don't do it, Nick. Don't do it. Ow. Stop shooting me. Yeah, don't heal me, I'll heal myself.
Gotta heal my ass.
That is the 7th. So we've counted 7 witches on easy, 2 tanks in the first. I swear, I will find an 8th.
Maybe the rain's bringing them. Hit it.
This is hell. This is just gonna be hell. We're throwing a pipe bomb, boys. 2, we're switching to melee. Yep. I could give Ellis adrenaline. Well, guess what? I don't want to. See the elevator, come on. It's so weird how they can climb up flat walls. Ow. Out of the goo. Out of the goo. Get the hell out of here. We need to get the hell out of here and fast. Why is the elevator so slow? This is stupid. This is just stupid. Okay, Rochelle, you're gonna die. Ellis, sadly, you're gonna die. Rochelle, though, I won't miss. Nick, it's just me and you, buddy. Just me and you. Okay, the elevator's here. Open the door. Everybody in the elevator, yes. Rochelle's gone. Rochelle's dead. Well, actually, that's fine with me. Ellis, someone needs to heal you. Yeah. Heal each other. I'll snipe. Oh, or Ellis could do that. Everyone in. Okay, we're safe. We're safe. They can't get in. Actually, they kind of want to. I thought I could probably shoot him through the wall, but I can't. I swear there's gonna be an 8th witch down here. I swear there is. Oh yeah, Alice is fine. What is that? Oh, that's a jockey. Okay, well we're down now. Well, that's for shells. We'll just follow the pipe. Oh, that promise. And there we found our 8th witch. We found the 8th witch. This is just great. I am so happy that we found an 8th frickin' witch. How does it spawn 8 witches? And why are there so many frickin' zombies? This is abnormal. This is not right. I'm almost out of frickin' ammo. Oh my. There's gotta be some, okay? If there's not. Oh, Nick, I'll save you, I'll save you, I'll save you. Oh, wait, let me just reload first. I'm almost out of ammo. I've got, what, how many rounds? I've got 106. Safe room. Thank you. Finally. Get in here, Nick. Rochelle will come back. Here, wait, this is where I'd end the video, but I want to read the writing on the wall. 969, what a weird number. Anyways. There were 8 witches, 2 tanks. This is absurd. Like, that never happens. Joel, meet up with B&B, heading to New Orleans together. Safe. Jennifer, kids are safe heading to your mom's place in Baton Rouge. Hurt. Kids are heading to New Orleans. Love you, Jenny. Look, your sister's New Orleans. Meet at Kate. Same helps. Tom, I left New Orleans October. I waited as long as I could. Love you. Oh, that's kind of sad. Is there a health kit for me? Yeah, there is. What? When did I get this gas can? Wait, there's only one exit. Oh, I see. We got the gas. Okay, anyways, I've stayed here too long. I hope you all have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.